Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to more NFT education, where we cover NFT projects and then we try to learn more from them. All right, so today what we're going to cover is a pretty dope NFT that I wanted to kind of bring to y'all attention, and it's called MKS Society. All right, now what they are is 8,555 next generation 3D art pieces. MKS Society is more than just art. It will be the way to achieve the best version of yourself with all the benefits of the metaverse. So let's go ahead and learn more. Let's talk about the origin of them. Kongs are the closest relatives of human. We share 98% of our DNA. They are known for the size of their families, especially for the synergy existing between them. To survive, they are codependent. They know that the relationships they build will allow them to learn and grow together. Kongs work collectively to achieve greater territories and increase their power. The similarities between Kongs and successful people are striking. High-profile people who succeed in business understand that cooperation is essential. Therefore, they know the importance of having trustworthy partners in order to harvest the maximum benefit from their efforts. All right, now networking. Networking is essential to take your career to the next level. It's what gives you access to the world full of opportunities. MKS Society helps you push your network even further. All right, so into the metaverse, grow and enrich your life, because what we're looking for is the utility. What do we get, right? The MKS Society is more powerful than ever seen before. A network full of influential and successful individuals and companies from around the globe coming together as one. A network that feels like family, here to help you achieve your highest potential in every aspect of your life. So let me tell you why that's important. Why becoming, a part of a community with influential and successful individuals. Well, the power of networking is crazy. It can really just open doors for you, right? So depending on which influential people are a part of this, then that might be worth your while, right? But let's go ahead and go over the roadmap. So 0% preparation for takeover, right? We're creating a collection of 8,555 next generation 3D art pieces, MKS, truly accessible to the metaverse. Those many million years ago, the very first primates lived on the earth. That's why we chose for that symbolic piece. Okay, that's pretty dope. Each gorilla goes through the highest possible quality standards. The artist is a well-known video director, achieving over 1 billion views on YouTube. Stefan has always had a passion for 3D art. Okay, so let me give you the trick. This is what I'm gonna do, and this is what you should do if you were to run across this project and say, is this worth my time? Boom, go to YouTube. I'm gonna search this music directed by. Okay, so he looks to be legit. Mastermind events. Our first global event will take place in April. The location is yet to be announced, but rest assured, it's incredible. Many others will take place virtually through masterminds directly in the metaverse with special guests. The birth of baby Kongs. The family will be expanded with babies. These cute baby Kongs will serve as your digital identity alongside your Kongs and open new digital doors for you. Everyone who owns a Kong gorilla will be automatically whitelisted for the baby Kong gorilla. All right, so what usually happens when they drop like new NFTs is like they usually give it to holders because it's usually like an add-on to what's already going on, but a lot of the times those cost more, or they, you know what I'm saying, because now it's like now you're kind of buying into the community after it's already proven to be, you know what I'm saying? So with the next wave, you're kind of, if you're buying in at that stage, you're kind of buying in double. So it kind of does mean something to get whitelisted to get another one, you know what I'm saying, when the new ones come out, right? So this creation of social space based on Web 3.0 is only accessible for MKS holders. A space where learning and evolving is the most important thing. A decentralized social network gives users more control and more autonomy. All right, a holder can set up their space and determine how it operates and what users can say or talk about. We will call these spaces boardrooms, right? More to be announced. 80% collabs with investment companies, right? Collabs with global funding companies with big angel investors to make sure capital is never a problem for a well thought out business idea. One of the MKS Society holders, right? Details are still confidential. And then boom, launching our world in the metaverse, our landscapes and sandbox, decentralized and mystery location will be ready. The Kongs will be ready to escape out of their cage to conquer the world as a team, a family, a next generation society. All right, so here where you can join the Discord. All right, here's more about the director. That's pretty dope, bro. You know what I'm saying? Here, this guy's legit. You know what I'm saying? Like we said on the last thing, right? Let's meet the 3D artist. He's raw. Gotta follow him. So yeah, bro, this is pretty dope. I 100% would advise, you know what I'm saying? This is one I usually don't advise, like, hey, you should get this one. And I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not saying that this is gonna be something that you can double your money on. This is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that this is an NFT and a community to kind of pay attention to, because whenever I look at their background and it's backed by reputable people, then I know that, okay, this can be real and this can, have that utility. So, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Ultimately, check their Twitter real quick. Oh, yeah, they've definitely built the hype, but I would have expected them to, because you can kind of tell when you're dealing with quality. So let me go ahead. Oh, their Discord is massive. So yeah, this lets you know the hype is there. The hype is definitely there. Complete, submit. Yeah, that's definitely worth it. So man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Love y'all. Let's get it.